Hello friends, this video sequential series part 7 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched video part 1 to part 6. Here we have to find sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. So I'll write this Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ... 1999 plus 2001. We have to find this. So here we have to find first, we know that Sn is equal to, we know that Sn is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So if we know a, we know d, we know n, we get the value. So here we know that a is equal to 1, first term, correct? D is also equal to 1 because the difference of, this is 1, 3, 5, 7. Difference is 2. Difference between any two odd integer is 2. So D is equal to 2. Now we have to find the value of n. N is nothing but 2001 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Last term minus first term divided by 2 plus 1. So that becomes 1000 plus 1, that is 1001. This is the value of n. N is nothing but last term minus first term divided by 2 plus 1. So why we have added plus 1 here is, let's try to prove this. For example, let's suppose we have to find the number of terms for 135. So here first term, last term minus first term is equal to 5 minus 4 by 2, that is 5 minus 1 by 2, that becomes 4 by 2, that is 2. But the number of term is 3, so we'll have to add 1. That's why here also what we have done, last term minus 1 term by 2. Also we can take one more example, 13579. So here also last term minus first term is equal to 9 minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. But the number of term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we have to add 1 also to it. So when you add 1 to this becomes 4 plus 1, 5. That's why it is last term minus first term by 2 plus 1. So n is equal to 1001. So pretty simple. Now we have this formula. Sn is equal to, I'll write once again, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here, or S of 1001, this will become 1001 by 2 into 2 of a is 1 plus n minus 1, that is 1001 minus 1 into d is 2. This is what we get. So on solving this, we get 1001 by 2 into 2 plus this will become 100 into 2, that is 2000. So this will become 1001 by 2 into 2002. Divide this becomes 1001. So what I get is 1001 whole square. So this is the sum of terms of all values. So if you multiply this, what you get is 101101, and that is our answer. This is sum of all odd integers from 1 to 2001. The trick here was to find the value of n, and the n was nothing but last term minus first term divided by 2 plus 1. If you are in confusion, we can take smaller numbers, smaller sequence, and then get the pattern. So we took 135. So from there we derived that the pattern was n minus last term minus first term by 2 plus 1. To reconfirm, we took one more pattern, one more sequence, 13579, and there also we found that the total number of term is nothing but last term minus first term divided by 2 plus 1. Also, if you want to find, we can also say 2001 is equal to nth term, that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or we can say 2001 is equal to 1 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 2. So n is nothing but 2000 minus 1 by 2, n is nothing but 2000 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So we can also find n like this, because we know the last term is equal to a plus n minus 1 by d, a plus n minus 1 into d. We know n, we know d, so we can find the value of n. value comes out to be same. So we can use either of the approach and find the value of n. So we will take one more example where we have to find nth term of AP. So in AP the first term is 2 and sum of the first 5 term is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. So we have to show that 20th term is minus 112. Let's write whatever that is told mathematically. So first term is 2, that is A is equal to 2. Also sum of first 5 term is S5. This is equal to 1/4 of sum of next 5 term, that is S of 10 minus S of 5. Because this is sum of 5 terms, this is sum of 10 terms, you subtract, you get next 5 terms. So this is 2 values which is given in the equation. Now we have to prove that T of 20 is equal to minus 112. This we have to prove. So let's try. So we'll take this S5 is equal to 1/4 into S of 10 minus S of 5. Or we'll say, we'll write here, let me, S5 is equal to 5/2 because n is 5 into 2 A is 2 plus n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 into D. D we don't know, right? Because Sn is equal to n/2 into 2A plus n minus 1 D. So here A is 2 is equal to 1/4. S10 is equal to 10/2 into 2A is 2 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into D minus, I'll take a bigger bracket here, again S5 is equal to 5/2 into 2A is 2 plus 5 minus 1 D. That is the equation I have got. Now you see, we'll solve this equation. We'll cancel this. This is 2. This will become 2. So this becomes 5 into, this is 4 plus 5D. This is 4 plus 5 minus 1, 4D is equal to, this becomes 1/2 into, this is 5 into 4 plus 90, right, minus 5/2 into 2 plus 4D, correct? This is what we have got. So we can multiply this 2 here, we can make this 2 here. So this becomes 10 into 4 plus 10 into 4D, and this is equal to 5 into 4 plus 5 into 9D minus 5/2 into 2 minus 5 minus 5/2 into 4D is 10D. 5/2 into 4D is 10D. So this is what we have got. So let's solve this again. So this is 40D. I'll put all D this side. Minus 45D minus 45D plus 10D plus 10D. This is equal to 5 into 4, 20 minus 5. This is minus 5. This is minus 40. This is minus 40. So what we get is 40 minus 45 minus 5 plus 10 plus 5. 5D is equal to 20 minus 5 is equal to 15 minus 40 is equal to minus 25. 20 minus 45, that is minus 25, correct? Or D is equal to minus 5. Now we have D is equal to minus 5. We have to show that, sorry, there's a calculation mistake. This is 2 into 2. This is 4D, 4 plus 4D. So this becomes 5 into 2, 10. This becomes 10. So this becomes minus 10. So this you get 5D is equal to 20 minus 10 minus 20 minus 10 is equal to 10 minus 40 is equal to minus 30. So minus 30. So d is equal to minus 6. A small miscalculation. So we have got d is equal to minus 6. What we have done? So we have taken this equation s5 is equal to 1 by 4 into s10 minus s5. Solved this to get d is equal to minus 6. Now when we want to find t of 20, this is nothing but a plus 20 minus 1 d. That is a plus 90 d. Now we know that a is equal to 2 plus 19, d is equal to minus 6. So this becomes 2 plus 19 into 6. 19 into 6 is equal to 144. 114, sorry. And this is minus. This will come minus here. So 2 minus 114, this is equal to minus 112. And that is our answer. So what we have done here, we have just used this equation, found the value of, and then using the value of d, we found t20 equal to minus 112. In this example, we have to find the sum of n terms of AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. That is t of k is equal to 5k plus 1. We know that t of k is a plus n minus 1 into d. So if you can convert this into this form, or k minus 1d, so if you can convert into this form, we'll get the answer. So we can also say 5k plus 1 is nothing but 5 of k minus 1, because we are looking for 5k minus 1, plus 5 because minus 5 is gone, plus 1, that is 6 plus k minus 1 into 5. This is the form we can write 5k plus 1. Now this is equal to a plus k minus 1 into d. So if you compare these two equations, we can say that a is equal to 6, this guy is equal to this guy, and k minus 1 into 5 is equal to k minus 5 into k minus 1 into d, that is d is equal to 5. So we have got a, we have got d. Now we have to find Sn. Also, when we know that t of 1 is nothing but 5 into 1 plus 1, that is 6. So a is equal to 6, d is equal to 5. Include this, correct. Now we have to find Sn. Sn is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know that a is equal to 6 and d is equal to 5. So we'll put that. This becomes n by 2, 2 into 6 plus n minus 1 into 5. So this becomes n by 2 into 12 minus 5 plus 5n. This becomes n by 2 into 7 plus 5n. This is nothing but sum of n terms in terms of n, and that's our answer. What we have done, we have just written this form 5k plus 1 into a plus k minus 1d, and then we found a is equal to 6, d is equal to 5. We also verified this using this. We have put k is equal to 1, so a becomes 6, and we have got the answer. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more.